Morning, dear scholars. As you already know that this is a book of social science of a standard 10th. Today we will start the next chapter of this book. The name of this chapter is Lifelines of National Economy. First of all, we will start the first part of this chapter. First part is multiple choice questions. First one is, which two of the following extreme locations are connected by the east-west corridor? Answer is Silchar and Porbandar. Second, which mode of transportation reduces transshipment losses and delays? Answer is pipeline. Then third, which one of the following states is not connected with the HVJ pipeline? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Then fourth, which one of the following ports is the deepest landlocked and well protected port along the east coast? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Then fifth, which one of the following is the most important modes of transportation in India? Answer is railways. Last one is, which one of the following terms is used to describe trade between two or more countries? Answer is international trade. Then second part is, answer the following questions in about 30 words. First question is, state any three merits of roadways. Answer, first merit is, they are cheaper than railways in terms of construction's cost. Second, road transport provides door-to-door service. Then third point, road transport is useful in small distance also. Then second question, where and why is rail transport the most convenient means of transportation? Answer, rail transport is the most convenient means of transportation in the northern plain because these plains are densely populated, rich in agriculture sources, and construction of railways is easy due to gentle slope of the land. Then third question, what is the significance of the border roads? Answer, border roads are of importance for a strategic purpose as during the time of war-like situations it is helpful in easy transport of army equipments and troops. Fourth question, what is meant by trade? What is the difference between international and local trade? Answer, the exchange of goods among people, states and countries is referred to as a trade. Trade between two countries is called international trade, while trade occurring in a region within the same country is called local trade. Third part, answer the following questions in about 120 words. First question, why are the means of transportation and communication called the lifelines of a nation and its economy? Answer, because these are the preconditions for progress and development. A country's economy depends not only on the production and sale of goods and services but on their transport as well. A country makes tremendous progress because of its developed means of transport and communication. Second question, write a note on the changing nature of the international trade in the last 15 years? Answer: international trade has undergone a sea change in the last 15 years. Exchange of commodities and goods have been superseded by the exchange of information and knowledge. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level, and it is earning large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Now it is the end of this chapter. Thanks, learners.